Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I'm going to be having a look and seeing where I'm up to in terms of my savings and my debt goals and seeing whether I managed to hit any of my sinking funds as well. So come on in. Hello, my name's Samantha and this is the Budget Mum UK. In today's video, I'm going to be going through all of my finances just to see where I'm up to, seeing how much I've got left to pay off, seeing how much I've managed to save in my sinking funds over the last month, but also what has accrued so far since I started this up at the beginning of the year. And this channel is also with my finances and my budgeting and trying to meet all these goals. So if you think that's something of interest to you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification icon so you know every single time I upload a video. Honestly, it makes such a difference to my day. It just makes me smile every time I see those numbers going up. And you are amazing. Just like all the people that are already subscribed, because I love you and you are genuinely my little family, my community. You're amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Right, so we're going to have a look and see where I'm up to in terms of my savings and have a look where I'm up to in terms of my debt and seeing what I've got going on as well. So just to remind you, if you're not familiar already, I had my, in fact, I need to complete this, look, because I completed this, what, a month ago, 2 months ago? What did I achieve this? I need to put this down. Emergency. Here we go. 30th of the 3rd. I can put that in. And I set myself a £500 goal for my car insurance. And I already hit that as well. I think I hit that at the same time. Why did I not complete that there? Oh, I'm silly. I know why I didn't complete it, because I've actually gone back and put £1,000 in. I've done this one though. This one definitely happened on the 30th, the 3rd. And I decided I wanted to put a bit more in as well to go towards repairs and everything else. I've since separated them, but I'm just working with this one anyway whilst we can. I've set myself a medium-term goal for 3 to 5 years to try and pay off all the rest of my debt. I'm working on it. And then I've got my really long-term goals, my £7,000 for paying off the car, and to buy a home, £20,000 is what I would need to be able to do that. So let me have a little look. The other documents that I'm going to be using, I've been a bit rubbish with this. This is going to be my new goal going forward. I feel like I've missed out all of this. And I need to keep more on track of what I'm actually spending just to sort it out, really, because sometimes I just feel like things are out of control a little bit. Like I was watching Balancing the Budget channel the other day, and she just seems so organised and like on it, and I'm just like, I need to be more like that. Like she knew what every single thing was, and she could just put a hand on it, and it was great, and everything was filled in. It gave me finance goals. That's what that gave me. So we've got here, so we've got, these are the annual sinking funds that I'd set up initially, and then I just adapt them as I go. I can print out another one of these. Once I've got a few more filled in, I'm going to start putting some more of these together. And these are my savings, and this is my debt one as well. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at all my sinking fluid envelopes, all my big dreams ones as well. And I've not decided. I've not decided whether I'm going to include my challenges. I feel like I ought to, because that's savings, isn't it, of the fashion. I'll have a look at the envelopes. What I can't do is have a look really at my penny saving challenge and my change jars. I'm not going to include change. I'm just going to include the notes. I think that's what I'm going to do. It's just easy. I'm not counting all the money all the time. Otherwise, we'll be here all week. So I'm going to go through them, and then I'm going to have like what's in my money envelope for my debt to try and come off of here as well. So let's start with my savings to see where I'm up to for this one. Okay, so I've got £1,000 in here, which we know about. My education, my school, my Holly, my Alexander, my car, which has got 500 in, which is my placeholders. So they're going there. So that's 1,500 to start with. I don't think I've made a massive dent in these because I was late doing my monthly update before. So 50, 60, 70, 5. Let's see if this calculator's going to play today. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. School. This has got money in it, but it's not going to for long because Holly's decided she needs some new school shoes. Luckily, she's at the point where she's not growing so much anymore. So, you know, like when they're young and you're like, you're not having any new school shoes, you're going to grow again. Yeah, I think she's done her growing. I hope so. Anyway, she's like nearly 6 foot tall. So, anyway, there's 40 in there. She's going to have to hang on for some school shoes. I went to Clark's. £70, £80 or something ridiculous for the ones that she liked. And even they didn't have a size anyway. What a shame. Why have I added 70? Because I talked about them shoes. 40. There you go. £320, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30, 40, 50, 450 in Hollies. I wanted to get them to 500, so hopefully I'll hit them next month, hopefully. However, and I remembered I do need to do a little bit of an adaptation. I bought Alexander, you know, one of those trikes that you can push. They look really cool. They're quite expensive, but I bought in second hand and it was £15. And I just grabbed the cash out of my... Where did I grab it from? I don't know where I've grabbed it from. I think I've grabbed it out of my debt one. Oh, yeah, I did. I would have grabbed it out of my debt one because that was the one on top. 20, 40, 60, 81. Yeah, so he's got, say, he's got 450. So should I take it out? Oh, this is supposed to be savings. Do you know what? I'm just going to write it off out of the debt. I'm just going to say it's coming to the debt. Look at that. It's time to know. I was going to take it out of his envelope and put it back into my debt one to top it up, but I'm not now. 2515. Yeah, leave it there. 120, 40, 60, 80, 225 I've got in my car repairs. How much are brakes, by the way, on your car? I don't know. Genuinely have no idea. It could be £1,000, it could be 50 quid. I'm sure it's not 50 quid, but I was thinking maybe 500. If that's how much they are. What was this number now? Oh, it's late and I'm tired. 120, 40, 60, 80, 225. Let's add the 225 before I forget again. 2740. So my money is going up, up, up. 2740. And then I'm just going to check these as well. So I'm really not doing very well with this. Luckily I haven't given out any invitations. What's in there? Got 20. 25. Half asleep. 105. 105, 185. Should I count this? Yeah, it's notes, isn't it? 185. 210. And then there's actually £10 in there. 210, 220. So there we go, it's 220 there as well. $2,960 is where we're at. 2,960. Let me write that number down before I forget it. 2,960. Progress. Let's see, what colour should we go for? Oh, that's a lot more than I actually thought, isn't it? I really didn't think there's going to be very much. I know, actually, though, I don't always count my challenge envelope. That's going to take a hit if I have to get something for my car when I do the MOT, isn't it? That's the other thing. This just gets a free wash. It gets a free wash, apparently. Right, let's have a look at where I'm up to then with my debt. So, I think I was just shy of £3,000 was left last time we did this one. But of course, I did say, that before, I haven't had a full month because I counted it partway through in May rather than at the end of April, if that makes sense. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 285, going in towards that one. Why am I not filling in these? I don't know what's wrong with me. I do these things. Do you know what? It's normally because quite often I'm doing them quite rushed because I've got to do it while Alex is asleep. Well, and he is asleep now, but it's like night time now, so it's not as bad. 285. Let's get that off there. Let's go with, oh, it's lovely. I don't even know what colour it is. Peachy pink. The aesthetic is me is thinking, I wish I'd just stuck with just all these colours. Some of these colours are a bit grim. Quite happy about that. Look, I just love seeing it going down. When you think, I was up there in January and it's not taken me that long. Really? Did nearly have £2,000, actually. That's nearly £2,000 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? That's not too bad. That's not too bad. I'm quite happy with that. I can go and take that down to the bank and pay that out now, so that's good news for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it inspiring and motivational. And I will see you really, really soon. Bye.